In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use audio or speaker option to read your charts in Google Gemini app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and ask your question. For instance, I just went ahead and typed in this question and I've gotten here a response. However, I don't want to read this. I like Gemini to read this for me. To do this is quite simple. Just head over to the beginning of the response on your chart, and you can see here we have a speaker option here. So if you tap on this loudspeaker here, it will go ahead and start reading.
Research is not a one-size-fits-all process. The best method depends entirely on whether you need a quick overview, deep academic proof, or real-world.
And that is it. This will go ahead and read the whole chart up to the end, and you'll be able to get the information that you needed. So that's how you can use the audio feature or loudspeaker feature on Google Gemini app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.